In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Canva as a JPEG. Now, this is really easy to do. Once you have your design created and you want to download, we simply come up to the right-hand corner where it says Share. Now, if we click on there, we then want to come down to where it says Download. Now, this is where we have a few different options. Now, it might say PNG, it might say something else, but what we want to do is simply click on this because this is a drop down. So if we click on there, we have a lot more different options when downloading. Now to choose JPEG, we simply click on where it says JPEG, and then we have a few different options regarding sizes and quality if you have a Canva Pro account. Now, if you don't have a Canva Pro account, you're not going to be able to choose these settings, so you'd simply just click on Download. But if you do have a Canva Pro account, we can play around with the size of this image by increasing and decreasing this bar as well, and we can play around with the quality by doing the exact same thing. Now, if we look over here, we can see that these two are Canva Pro because they have the little crown icon. Now, we can also limit file size by clicking there as well and entering our kilobytes just here. And we can also save the download settings. But once you're ready, all you have to do is click on download. It's going to take a few seconds and it will save to your device. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to save Canva as a JPEG. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, watch this playlist just here, which is packed full of Canva tutorials.